We are working some mathematics, calculus in particular, here at GoToMath.com, and we're evaluating limits analytically. So let's take a look at this limit. We got the limit as x approaches 0 of 16x over tan of 15x. Alright, so let's write that up here. Let's use a different color this time. We got the limit as x approaches 0. God, I've forgot 16 over 15. Alright, 16x over tan of 15x. Now, we're going to take it that in some previous problems and in the previous section, we showed that tan x over x was equal to 1. Alright, we showed that by turning this into sine and cosines, and then of course we needed to know the fact that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x is equal to 1, so we had to know that. But we're going to take it that, we're going to take this that we know this. Whoops, need to put a 0 there. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to use this fact right here that this is equal to 1. So this is going to get a little tricky because we got 16x and 15x here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull this 16 out front and just get it out of the way. Let's just get that out of the way there. And what am I going to do next? I'm going to throw a 15 up here. But if I do that, we have to have 1 over 15 here, but I'm going to put a 15 up here over tan of 15x. So this is kind of a typical test question here. Alright, wait a minute, what's going on? Yeah, I took the 16 and brought it out front, then I put 1 over 15 here and I put a 15 up here. Now we're going to use this fact right here. Now also, that if we have the limit as x approaches 0, since this number is the same as this number, then it should also be true that is true also. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this limit here and multiply it by this limit. Now I'm going to take this 1 over 15 and take it out front also. So we got 16 over 15. Then we got the limit as x approaches 0 of 15x over tan of 15x. And I'm going to multiply this by the limit as x approaches 0 of tan 15x over 15x. Now I'm going to join both of these limits. Hopefully you're hanging in there. 16 over 15. Now by the properties of limits, I can join these together into one single limit. And so now we have 15x over tan of 15x times tan of 15x over 15x. And of course, we all know what that's going to be. That's just going to end up becoming 1, right? I should be putting equal signs here. So we have 16 over 15 times, and this whole thing here becomes the limit running out of time of 1. So this has become 16 over 15. And there it is.